Hello, in this video I will show you how to disable commission when an Easy Digital Downloads product is upgraded. Go to the Affiliate Press Settings page. Now open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Here you can see the Easy Digital Downloads Disable Commission on Upgrade Order option. Enable this option and then click the Save button. Changes have been saved. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Here you can see all registered affiliate users. When a customer purchases an Easy Digital Downloads product using an affiliate's link, open the Easy Digital Downloads page. This is the Easy Digital Downloads products page. Click the Add to Cart button to add the product to your cart, and you will be redirected to the checkout page. This is the Easy Digital Downloads checkout page. Enter all the required information and choose a payment method. Now enter your card details and click the Purchase button to complete your purchase. The order has been successfully completed. Now go to the Commission page in the admin dashboard. This is the Commission page. Here you can see commission-related records. You can see that a new commission record has been added. Now upgrade the Easy Digital Downloads product. This is your purchase history page. Now click the View Licenses button. Now click the View Upgrades link. Click the Upgrade License link and you will be redirected to the checkout page. This is the Affiliate Press checkout page. The original price of the product is $200, but it shows $51 here because prorated pricing is enabled for this product. Enter the card details and click the Purchase button. As you can see, your product has been successfully upgraded. Now go to the admin side commission page and refresh it. As you can see, no new commission record has been added.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.